This is Barely Sweet Balancing Deodorant Stick. It's a 2.5 ounce stick and it's made with clean and gentle ingredients. I want to thank the brand for sending me this sample so that I could try it out and then tell everybody about it. It's aluminum free and baking soda free. It's very different from all of the deodorants we've used for years because most of them all have aluminum, which I'd been worried about at times, but that was about the only thing available that I could find that actually worked. This actually works. It's worked for me and it's lasted all day, which is supposed to give you 24-hour protection, and it's a nice alternative because you can use this daily, and it's designed for active lifestyle and activities, so you can feel comfortable using it. It is non-staining. I haven't had any stains on clothes since I started using it, and it's paraben free and it's magnesium enriched. It has a no mess application. I'm sure you all know how stick deodorants work. You've probably seen them all your life, but I'll show you anyway how it works. There's a little ring on the bottom and you just turn it clockwise to make the deodorant stick rise up to give you room so that you can apply it on your skin without scraping your arm on the plastic, or your underarm is probably where you're going to be putting it. And then when you're done, you turn it counterclockwise and it'll go back down. There it goes. And you can put the lid back on. Just like that. No mess, which is great. Also, this is made in the USA. Big plus for that. The scent is refreshing. It's sort of fruity and citrusy. It's a sweet smell and I like it. So that's about all I know about it. And you might like to try it out for yourself so you can see how it works.